On today's episode, we're making this very quick, very cheap garlic and cheese pizza. Thanks for joining me today. On today's episode, we're going to make this garlic and cheese pizza with 3 store-bought ingredients that are really cheap. So we're going to start off with a pre-baked, pre-bought pizza base, and on top of that we're going to add some garlic dip. So I just bought the garlic dip from the store, just in the fridge section, and we're going to spread that over the top of the pizza base. This recipe has been going around on some Aldi forums. It's been super popular, and if you haven't heard of it before, I wanted to show you how to make it because it is really super cheap, really easy, and really delicious. And then on top, all we're going to do is spread over some pizza cheese or some mozzarella cheese, whichever you have on hand. And then all we need to do is go ahead and bake it. It's as simple as that. So we're going to throw it into a 180 degree preheated oven and just bake it until the crust is golden on the bottom and the cheese is golden on top. It took me about 20 minutes in my oven. And then all there is to do is cut it, slice it, and enjoy. You can serve it with some greens on the side, or you can serve it as is. I hope you like this recipe. I hope you make it. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.